He had the most beautiful green eyes Shane had ever seen.
"What's your middle name?"
Shane groaned.
"Why don't you ask my weight, too, while you're at it? That way you'll know all my dirty secrets." "I won't laugh, promise."
He stopped short of crossing his heart, but Shane thought it was understood. There were flecks of gold in his gaze as well.
"Let's not take any chances. Mine is Hanzal."
That gave Shane pause. If he was serious, that was bad, but still.
"Mine's worse."
The gorgeous man drew in a hiss through his teeth, wincing.
"What were your parents thinking? Worse is a terrible name."
Shane's chuckle turned into a gasp as a sharp pain shot through him. His savior sprang into action, inspecting his ribs for damage. He hit something. Shane didn't like it.
"Fuck me. How bad is the other guy?"
He didn't look.
"Walking around as if nothing happened?"
Bastard. Sirens rang in the distance. Still, his sexy rescuer didn't move away.
"His truck is bigger than your car. He won. Does anything hurt other than your ribs?"
"Everything," he admitted, attempting to sit up. Sexy savior pushed him back down.
"You could be hurt worse than you realize. The paramedics are almost here."
His gaze shifted down Shane's body.